Sarika is, I think she's an observer. She networks. She knows the courtroom. Last 20 years, she knows every movement over there, and she's just playing her part. She's going with the flow. She has also things planned. So yeah, she's that kind of person. At the same time, she's a mother. Um, she's a common man. She hustles. Her day is full of hustles. She's trying to catch the bus, the train, get to work, and she's always looking at her watch. She's timing herself. She's like a common woman. So I think uh, that's what she is.
As an artist, she demanded something from you?
As an artist, definitely. It was that it was an extremely interesting role for me to play, and I felt it was challenging because there are a lot of silent moments for Sarika in the film, and performing through silence is very demanding and very satisfying, and that's something I feel is very special about Sarika in this film.
And you both are working for the first time. Both have amazing body of work. How was working with each other?
Too good.
She's fabulous. She's fabulous.
We really got along very well. We really enjoyed working with each other. I mean, I feel like our work ethic is very similar.
Yeah.
No? Like, I felt like this is a nice person to work with, to have on set. And she's such a fabulous actor. So I think that really elevates your own performance. So I mean, I think it was great.
I
I'd
think
love to work
similar
with her
people
again.
also. I think we're very similar. We're on time.
Yeah.
We're on
Very
time.
rare.
And we believe in the similar concepts and the similar kind of films. I think she's also made some wonderful choices all through her career, and I feel we just connected. When you connect, like you said, when you connect in real life, then cinema is like it just happens.
I think you started in the 90s and now it's
Yeah.
2026.
Yeah.
So do you see the change and how kind of you were back then to yourself?
I really don't know whether that's called being kind. When you get in as a teenager, all you want to do is work with all the stars, and you want to make your money, and you want to
Yeah.
get into the big films, and you want to just carve that path to stardom. And then after you've done 10, 15 films, definitely even then you choose your films, but after that you sort of, like she said, you grow up. And then you also respect yourself more as an actor, and you mature, and then you start picking your lot. And then later there again comes a phase where maybe Sonakshi has a little time to get there, where you start saying no to 90% of what's coming and just pick what gives you a good sleep at night.
Ritika, you have been seeing you mostly in Hindi, space, which is very good, refreshing for us because we are Hindi audience end of the day. So, how you are feeling the kind of stories coming to you in Hindi space?
Oh, they're lovely. They're lovely. I've done a very good share of work in the South. I've done about 50 to 60 films there. And especially in the last 10, 15 years of my career, I've
How
done
many?
60.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
Last 10 years, I have picked and chosen more of women empowerment scripts because I really thought it was required down south to resonate with a common women, because we're still into a huge theatre space there, and roles are written very from a male gaze point of view. But it's a very fresh welcome here. I find them writing some amazing roles for 40 plus women. I'm seeing a diversity, and I'm seeing the greys, and a lot of different kinds of characters being played here. So it's amazing. It's amazing. While I respect, I love what I have done there, and I'm still going to continue. I still feel there are more shades being written here, and I think the reason for that being OTT. I think it's really taken off more in the Hindi stream. So we have very diverse characters written for women here. So I'm enjoying both the sides.